Welcome to the final, capstone lesson of our Machine Learning Essentials playlist. We have covered a huge amount of ground, from the core concepts and workflow to a whole library of powerful algorithms. Now, let's put it all together and walk through our first project from start to finish. For our project, we'll use a classic and simple example: classifying iris flowers. The famous iris dataset contains measurements of the petals and sepals for 3 different species of iris. Our goal is to follow the machine learning workflow to build a model that can look at the measurements of a new flower and accurately predict its species. We begin with the foundational steps. First, we'd load the dataset, probably using the Pandas library. Then we'd perform some exploratory data analysis, like creating scatter plots to visualize the relationships between the features and see if the different species look distinct. Once we understand our data, we perform the crucial train test split to separate our data for fair evaluation. Next comes the core modeling. Using Scikit-learn, we can choose a model to start with. A decision tree is a great choice because it's so interpretable. In just a few lines of code, we would train this model on our training data. After the model has learned the patterns, we use it to make predictions on our test set, the data it has never seen before. We can then generate a confusion matrix and calculate our model's accuracy to see how well it performed. And that's it. At the end of this process, we have a trained model. This is a real, tangible artifact that contains the learned rules for distinguishing between the iris species. We could now save this model and deploy it in an application where it could provide predictions on brand new flower measurements. A huge congratulations! You have officially completed the Machine Learning Essentials playlist. You've gone from zero to building and evaluating your first predictive model. You have the complete theoretical and practical foundation for this incredible field. But this is just the beginning. The models that power the AI revolution today are even more powerful. I hope you'll continue your journey with me in our next playlist, where we will dive deep into the fascinating world of deep learning and neural networks.